A powerful earthquake struck Cebu on Tuesday night, September 30th, 2025.
Lord. Oh my God! Lord. Guys, please. Wait. Lord, please send some help, Lord.
The 6.9 magnitude quake occurred at 9:59 p.m. local time, with its epicenter located off the northern coast of Cebu, about 19 kilometers from the city of Bogo. Its shallow depth, only around 5 to 10 kilometers, made the shaking extremely strong and widely felt across neighboring provinces. So far, at least 69 people have been confirmed dead, while more than 150 others have been injured. Several victims were trapped beneath collapsed structures, including a sports gymnasium that fell while it was packed with residents playing basketball. Severe destruction has been reported in Bogo and San Remigio, where many homes were reduced to rubble, roads were cut off, and bridges suffered cracks and damage. The water supply system in San Remigio was heavily damaged, leaving thousands without access to clean water. The quake also triggered landslides in mountainous areas, blocking access to remote villages and making rescue operations more difficult. Amid the chaos, thousands of residents chose to spend the night in open fields and city parks, fearing aftershocks and the collapse of weakened buildings. Hundreds of aftershocks have been recorded so far, the strongest measuring more than magnitude 5.2. The situation worsened as heavy rains poured down after the quake, leaving many survivors cold and without adequate shelter.
Ako sugtong yung lugar kato nagtis mo na ito.
According to the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, the earthquake was likely caused by an underwater fault that had not produced any major activity for nearly 400 years. The quake was classified as a strike-slip event, where two blocks of the Earth's crust suddenly slide past each other horizontally. The discovery of this long-dormant fault serves as a grim reminder that many hidden seismic threats remain offshore in the Philippines.
Downtown area, blackout or burnout.
I hope you're all okay, guys.
Ma'am, please, tuwag ka itong store, ma'am. Oh my God. Oh my God, ang store. Okay kayo.
Manager! Dali! Sunog na sa sun! Uy, asa! Uy! Uy, kakusog! Uy, kakusog sa ilog! Kakusog!
Guys, sunong sa mo, guys! Wait, sa mo,
Kakusog!
wire na! Say wire!
Careful!
President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. immediately ordered a full government response. Several areas, including San Remigio and Tabuelan, have declared a state of calamity to speed up relief distribution. Rescue teams, the military, and volunteers have been deployed, although damaged roads and infrastructure continue to hinder their efforts. Authorities have distributed food, water, and temporary shelters for displaced residents. Cebu's Mactan Cebu International Airport remains operational, but schools and government offices in affected areas have been suspended until buildings are inspected for safety.
Linog, linog, linog.
Lord.
Nalinog.
This tragedy in Cebu is a stark reminder that the Philippines, located on the Pacific Ring of Fire, is constantly exposed to the dangers of earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Recovery from this disaster will not only take time but also require strong cooperation between the government, local communities, and humanitarian organizations. The earthquake that claimed dozens of lives has left deep scars on the people of Cebu. May the victims rest in peace, and may the survivors find strength to rebuild their lives. We will continue to monitor the latest developments from the Philippines.
Code red me. Wala pwede manguli. Katong nanguli, pabalikon tanan.